What's going on, guys? Rob Reese here. Thank you so much for checking out this awesome case study where I'm going to show you exactly what I did to make hundreds of dollars with no work of my own, at least very little work. So I met this person online. I'm going to show you exactly what I did step by step that ran a local business. One of my offline businesses is selling video services to local shops to do their online videos for, their commercials for, and it's all utilizing 100% free tools or very low cost options that I'm going to show you exactly what you can do. Now, you don't need to be a professional editor. You don't need to do video previously. This is just going to show you that it can be done. Now, if you can see here, okay, TK, this is one of my first clients. And the reason I bring it up is because it was the client that I actually got to pay me $700 for 6 30-second videos that used mostly pictures, okay? If you can see here, we're having a conversation and I'm having her send me some dishes with prices on it. And as you can tell, the images don't look the greatest, okay? They're not the most clear images in the world, okay? And they were sent over to me. These were the prices, the descriptions, and a couple of other things have come about. And I'm going to show you, let's see here. Let's go back to here real quick. TK Cole. Okay. Now, as you can see, here's another video that I did, very simple, with my logo as a brand on there, just so that it wasn't stolen. But look, okay, so here's one of the final product videos that I came with my transparent logo on it, so that I can show the client, let them know that, hey, this is done. If you like it, we can go forward. And it's not even 15 seconds long, and this video cost them $100. Okay, it was about $99. Okay, I did about 6 of them, and then this was in total of the package of $700. Nice, best one yet. This may be the winner, and this is one of the videos that they actually ended up choosing. And I did go a little extra further and do some live video stuff. Now, here's how you do that. Okay, now this is just for my example, but I'm going to show you exactly just how easy this is to actually do. Some free resources are available, and you can do with these what you will, but Pexel Videos is one that I love to use for free stock videos. Okay, so let's see here, cooking. Let's just say that they have some type of a broccoli thing going on at their restaurant, and you want to be able to create a little video. You get to pick that from here. It's free. There's a thing of egg being made here, spaghetti here. Look at, I mean, there's a number of different things that you can do with restaurant style stuff. Now, obviously, we want to make it as accurate as possible, but if you're just, saying, hey, come and visit us, and they're a breakfast place, get some eggs, get some bacon, get some sausage, get some pancakes being made. It doesn't matter whether or not it's a accurate representation of them, because they're pretty standard when it comes to making eggs, bacon, and pancakes, right? And what you can do is get these pieced together with some free, simple video software like HitFilm Express. Okay, HitFilm is a free tool available for you to do some free editing. Now, if you don't like that, you can go to Fiverr and have them put together a nice little 30-second video for you once you've got the client on board. Now, this is kind of the most important part, getting the customer to pay for your services. You do not need to pay for things ahead of time. What you need to be doing is focus getting clients on board. So how do you do that? Well, Facebook is a great option for you to find local businesses and network with local businesses, okay? You'll just find local business groups and start scrolling through the different the different people that are on here. And this is what I personally did. I said, you know what? These people need help um, with with either their website or their logo or something, and I did something for free for them. Okay, I went to their website. I said, hey, listen, this is an area that you can improve in, and I shot them a message with free advice. That's the most important thing, and it should be actionable. Okay, so what I would do is I would look at street jitsu. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and search them real quick. Street jitsu. Okay, now I did not do this ahead of time, so I don't know what I'm going to find, but I do want to show you what I would personally be doing. Now, it looks like they've got reviews set in place. It looks like they're pretty good on this front in terms of their Google Maps situation. They have their website up and running. It looks like, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and visit their website and see if there's anything that can be improved upon here. Okay, now this looks pretty decent. It looks like the website is pretty well maintained. Now, for my liking, it's not the greatest looking website. If you have any website skills, maybe I would say, hey, listen, I think you guys can do a lot better in this manner regarding your website, and offer them your services for that. But they look pretty good. Now, let's go a little deeper. Okay, let's go a little deeper. What we're going to do is put in martial arts near me, okay? And then we're going to click on maps. Now, the reason we want to click on maps is because we're going to get a particular type of view available here. Okay, this is very important because it looks like we have quite a bit in my area, and a lot of them have a ton of reviews. The problem is I have one that I've come across that looks a little different than the rest. Okay, sorry, that's my daughter in the background. There's no stars, there's no description, there's nothing explaining anything there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And their setup just doesn't look all that professional. Even though they have a website there, it's not claimed, okay? It's not claimed. It says claim this business. Now, this right here is big because they haven't done so. And what you can do is say, hey, listen, I noticed that you're not verified on Google, and this is 100% for free. Go ahead and help them verify their business. This is going to help them get a little bit more credibility, and you're going to be able to fill in the information accordingly. I mean, the street address is not even right, 2007. What is that? It's nonsense. And let them know that it just doesn't look professional in comparison to the rest of them, okay? And what you're going to do is offer this 100% for free for them. I noticed that you're not verified appropriately on Google My Business. It's going to help you get more visibility, and this is something that I can help you with for free. And then, of course, do they have multiple locations? No. Click next until this is all done, okay? And you're going to make sure that this has all the information that it needs. You're going to take a look at their website. Does their website need a little bit of work? And it definitely does. This is just an absolute mess, okay? So that's another area of opportunity. Now, once you're done doing this free listing for them, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and verify the business for them and say, hey, listen, you're all up and ready to go. And then you're going to ask them a very strategic question. How are you with getting more clients? Are you looking for more clients in your door? Okay, and that's going to be a service that you're going to help them with. And what you're going to do is say, hey, listen, video is known to create more customers online, period. End of story. There's no argument there. And they're going to agree. And what you're going to do is say, hey, listen, I am a video professional. I create videos for local businesses, and I believe that I can really help you with it. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to say, hey, listen, for $150, I can create you a really awesome video that's going to help you get more traction on your social media. It's going to help you get more clients in the door. would you be willing to give me a test with this services? Now you can charge, 150, you can charge $500. It really just depends on how much you want to go. Now from here, let's just say you have no skills whatsoever in doing video. Fiverr is going to be your best friend. And what you're going to do here is do video animation, okay, or video promo video. Okay, promo video is probably a little bit more accurate. Okay, I do video, so I don't always need these services, but as you can see, you'll be able to get some services here. Okay, so what you can do is go through it and see what best fits. Now, a lot of these you'll notice are like $100, $150, $200. These are not the ones that you're going for. Okay, you're going to go for ones that are a little less pricey. And what you're going to do is click on intros and outros. Okay, intros and outros are going to be in your wheelhouse. And what you're going to do is you're going to get the contract signed by the business and payment up front so that you can go ahead and fund the creation of the video. And of course, you want to find a good one. You want to find somebody who's reputable, who's done a number of projects, who has a reputation of 4 or higher stars. And these are just going to be very beneficial for you because they're going to get it done fast, they're going to get it done well, and you're going to profit from it. That's the biggest thing of this entire thing, is that you're going to make profit. Okay, it's very simple, very straightforward, and it is going to be quick money. Okay, and if you have any idea of how to do video yourself, you can just go ahead and go to the free sites like I showed you. Or if you're a videographer, you can go to the local business, take some video, and even charge them even more because you're providing actual real video services. Now, listen, you can also take your cell phone and go there. I've done that too myself, where I've went to clients' businesses and I've simply shot with my camera on my phone. And these phones, the cameras on the phones, are absolutely spectacular, guys. These things are professional level videos that you're able to make. So, guys, just think outside the box. I've given you a step-by-step on how to actually do it yourself, and this is absolutely going to kill it for you. So, guys, take this, run with it, do with it what you will. I'm telling you guys, you're going to make a lot of money if you just put the time and effort into it. Okay, guys? Thanks a lot.